Everybody, welcome back to Runaway Roses. This weekend we have a little project that we've already done, actually.
Yeah, we hadn't planned on it, so it's sort of a pop-up project.
Yeah, we weren't planning on filming it, but Carla started filming, and before you know it, we got enough and figured, well, why not? So on this video, we're going to install the steps to our Lance truck camper. When we bought it, they did not have any steps, and so we had to find some that worked, and I bought some, and they didn't fit, so then I bought another one, and we just got those installed, and they look great.
Yeah, this is actually the second time that, so as you guys probably know, this is our third 1172. This is the second time Todd's had to install steps.
Yeah, that's right. So anyhow, we're looking forward to actually using them, but if you want to see what it took to actually install them, stick around, check it out.
Today we have a problem that we're trying to resolve. When we bought the camper, our new Lance 1172, not new, but 2013, the steps weren't on it. The guy had taken them off, and I don't know what happened to them, but anyway, they weren't with it. That's pretty much the only thing that was wrong with our camper. So today, after going through a series of other issues with trying to fix the step, we've decided to buy some steps from RecPro, and Todd is working on installing them now. But guess what? There's a problem. Let me show you.
All right, so I'm trying to bolt up these steps underneath the bottom step here going into the camper, and there's 4 bolts, and 1 out of the 4, the bolts is just spinning. So I had a terrible time getting the nut off of it. So I got it off, and here's what it looks like if you want to come over here and take a little closer look. So I was able to pull the flooring up, and it has this little piece here. May look better without the light there. Yeah. So it's got the flat head on it, and it's supposed to have some little barbs that grip down into the floor. So this will sit kind of flush like that, so that way the flooring is nice and flat. But these little barbs broke off, so now the whole thing is just spinning inside there, so I can't tighten it up. So I'm going to cut some new grooves in it, try to make 2 new little barbs, and then hopefully it'll stay in place when I tighten it up. So let's go take the grinder to it.
What we thought was going to happen was they'll just bolt right up with the brackets that came on the camper, but of course nothing is ever that easy. So
never that easy.
Never that easy. So here we go.
Might have to get a hammer. See there?
Oh, yeah.
Got 2 little points there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Don't we get a hammer? Don't break them. Oh, that's hard enough. Mm.
All right, hopefully that'll work. We'll find out.
Yeah, it's better than it was.
Yeah.
Let's see if it works.
All right, see if it works. Might have to hammer it in place.
Yeah, probably.
Try to get it into some fresh wood there. Let me get the hammer.
Okay.
See if it'll hold.
See if it works. Just gonna put the bolt on it now. Shadow, but that's okay. Is the other one not spinning?
No, the back one doesn't spin.
That's good. So you didn't get stuff in your eye.
All right.
This one's already up. This side's already up. He was able to get this side up. It was the other one that we were having issues with. So I had to take the whole flooring up on the step and fix that little bolt.
I said that sucks.
Why? What sucks?
Because I gotta drill holes.
Why you gotta drill holes?
Bolt step up. It's never easy.
Yeah, he didn't realize he's gonna have to drill holes. So here's our new step right here. And it's not gonna just...
Question is, where do we drill the holes?
Where do we drill
I'm
holes?
hoping I can make this hole line up with this hole here.
I see.
And then probably have to drill another one up here somewhere.
Okay. Before you drill those holes, we need to make sure these steps are gonna come out right. Because remember the other ones we bought weren't sticking out far enough. We've already bought one set of steps and installed them and they didn't work. As this was, the step seems like it's too far inset back in there.
And pull it out
So
this
he's
way.
gonna pull it out and put it in the front bolt. We'll show you in a second. All right, we're going back to the drawing board. That didn't work. That's gonna drill some holes in this bracket to make it work.
So we're gonna say 1.5 inches. Probably about right.
I mean, is it? as long as you think so.
It's not 3 inches. 3 inches.
No, it's
is
not
too
3
much.
inches. Okay, so yeah, that's probably good.
I think it'll be fine. It wasn't that far off.
No, it wasn't. It was
We
just
could do 2 inches, but
Are you doing 1 3/4 I don't know.
That's 4.5.
I think we should do a GoFundMe for you to get you a drill press. What do you think? Just kidding.
That'd be good.
Because, like, every time you get to this point, you're like, I need a drill press. Four holes. Right?
Yep, 4 holes.
Measure 5 times, drill once.
And then wallow it out. Don't fit.
That's where the fits.
That'll work. That should work.
Now we gotta do the other one. Or now Todd has to do the other one.
Yeah.
I'm here for moral support.
You're the camera girl.
Yeah. So Todd has the brackets fixed. Well, they're not here. He actually has them and he's going to spray paint them because they have some rust on them. So he's sanding them up now. Spray a little spray paint on them, even though you can't see them. At least we know they'll look better.
You won't see them, but it's gonna spray them to give them a little rust protection.
I'm not going to go over there because I don't want to get paint on the camera. He uses my bird thing for spray painting. All right, Todd's getting ready to attach the step to the camper. Hopefully it's gonna work.
Got the brackets all painted up, ready to go. Hopefully they work. Hopefully the step's in a decent position.
The light, but you might need the light, so.
A little bit. Leave that loose.
So we just put the bolt through the washer and the lock washer on loosely, and Todd's tightening them up right now on all 4 corners. Actually, sorry, wrong thing. He's actually tightening the bolts that go up in the camper right now.
Oh, it feels like
Yeah, that's good.
figure out how to operate it.
I think it's the,
Oh, shit.
it's backward.
Put it on backwards. Damn it. Why wasn't I thinking? No, it's not up. Damn. There you go.
Oh, sorry. I keep thinking it's the top one.
You got a washer on that?
No. Oh, yeah, the washer's on the back, yeah.
Okay, give it a couple ugga duggas over there.
A what?
Couple ugga duggas. Yeah. And go through it and do it again.
Well, I was going to do this one first.
Okay.
But, well, shit, it's crooked.
Why is it crooked?
All right. There it is.
Got us a step.
Got us a step. See if it works. Moment of truth.
Put it on out.
Woo! Yay, we got us a step.
Yeah, see, we got little grippies there on the edge, so that's good.
Yeah.
Keep a grip coming out, although I may put that carpet on there.
Yeah, and then we can put one of those stabilizers on the bottom like we have on the Bigfoot.
Stabilize it on the ground.
And then that little modification worked well.
Yeah, that worked great up there. I got some Gorilla Glue. I'm gonna spray a little bit of that underneath here and glue it back down, and should be good to go. Put the transition strip back.
Nobody will ever know the difference.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, it's very stable.
Pretty good, just the right height too. Perfect.
Yay, good job. All right, that's our Sunday afternoon project. Wasn't even planning on that this weekend, but we got the steps before we thought we were going to. We were sitting around and FedEx came and Todd started installing them. So I was like, let's do a quick video. If you guys like videos like this, let us know in the comments. And very soon we have to fix this converter over here because it chirps like a cricket and it's so annoying. Last time we went camping, it annoyed me and it annoyed Todd and I think it annoyed Taylor and she can't even hear. Anyway, please like, subscribe, share, and hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time on Runaway Roses. Bye-bye.